Hello! Today I'm going to change the colour of this car. It's only a quick tutorial. So double click on your layer and click OK. Nice and straightforward. Go over to image, go to select, and we're going to select subject. The computer will have a little bit of thinking time trying to work it out as Apple figures it out. So there you go. Apple has worked out what the subject of this picture is, which is very good. But it's got the wheels in it and I don't want those. So I'm going to go over to my magic wand and I've already got it set to minus. So this will minus everything that I touch. This one here will plus everything. And this one here will just select things and deselect everything else. I want to minus, so I'm going to go over to the wheels, because I don't want anything black, I just want the red. So get rid of all of that. Get rid of what's inside the car, don't need to change anything on the car itself there. Windscreen wipers, don't want any of that. Funny business. Okay, right, now I'm going to go to edit, copy, edit, paste. Okay, this is what I've been left with. Right, so with this we can do a mask, go to paintbrush, and that way we can erase things without damaging anything. Just enlarge that, and here we go. Just take away all the bits we don't need. I'll put the opacity up. There we go. So I don't want any of the stuff I don't need left behind. Okay. We'll apply that layer mask, and I can see that I've got some leaves left on here. So what I'm going to use is the pen tool. I love this tool. It took me a bit of time to figure it out, to be honest. So just going to press the left mouse button there. Then I'm going to go down to here, click it again. Okay, but I'm going to hold the left mouse button, because you see that, so you can do this and make it curve. I don't really want to make it curve there. I do want to follow the shape of the car itself, the bodywork. So holding down the left mouse button so I can bend it, and I've found that when I get these bauble things to just line up with the bodywork, that's pretty good for me, because it's not going to be a completely straight line, there's going to be a bit of a curve on it, and it will look more authentic as well than a straight line. But I find that if you make the baubles follow the shape of the vehicle or the subject, whoever you're doing, it really works. Alright, so I've got that. Now I'm just going to go off on a little wild tangent, and when you put your pen back over the square, you'll get a little circle near your pen, so it'll go from like the plus and all that. There you go, there's a little circle there. I'm going to click that. Now I've got a complete circuit. Right click, make selection, and new selection. Feather radius, I might put that to 0 actually. Okay, now we can just simply cut that off. There you go, straightforward. So now we put the background back, and you think, what are you doing? Why isn't it any better? Well, I find that if I go to adjustments You could also make a gradient map, but I'm not going to go into that. I find the quickest way to get any kind of decent colour change is to go to like hue and saturation. You can go anywhere with you're comfortable, but this is where I find that I can get a sort of very quick difference. And there you go. It is literally that simple. See? There you go, I have a hot pink one. Nice green one. Oh, how attractive. And you put the saturation up. Really ugly, or bring it down and make it just look like it really is part of the picture. And you can do Alt, Control, Shift, E. There you go, you actually have your picture done. And it's that simple. Okay. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If there's anything else you'd like to know, I'm sure I can find it out and then show you. Okay, I'm not an expert, but I'm willing to help you out if you need it. Have a great day. Bye.